Hadin ke Jingkren ubak Sanbor Shullai MLA ke BJP na South Shillong ya ke Sorkar Assam lingba Himanta Biswa Chief Minister ke Jela Assam hadin ke Jingkren bana jung lingba Kylla Ptai Kubor banom Shu ban bam ya ke dok Masi hapo ke Jela Assam ubak Sanbor Shullai lingba ke Jingkren jung Kylla Ptai Kubor ulat terting ya utai unongilam da ke bau ong hapo ke Jela Meghalaya ngila ban bam kat ke bangi sobet lada de upseng unyang latam ne udok so ngemla pan Khang ya kamon lai lut kibreu ya ka bam gadi da ka baula pan rapro ya lade wat ka dok so ru ubam patang ha kini kikniat sngi uparlo udang wan ra so bhai u bat ula bam halor kini ki Jingkren ki jong la sapriang state ba kiran san social media ya ki Jingkren jong bala pan kala sha ka Jingrwai ba Shongshit ba amla ban tip mano bala sna de kala long pan ban ka jinge Shongshit manya keren nesngap ya kana Jingrwai lengwa ke Jingkren jong ba Sanbor Shullai hakilat Ptai Kubor.
As far as Sanbor is alive, independent state. We can eat snake, beef, scorpion, insect, whatever. Enjoy. Here in Meghalaya, we can eat snake, rat, scorpion. It is your choice. We can eat rat. It is your choice. It is your choice. You can eat snake. You can eat rat. It is your choice. It is your choice. You can eat snake. You can eat rat. It is your choice. It is your choice. You can eat snake. You can eat rat. So here is BJP Sanbor. I prepare already to eat scorpion 1 power, eat insect 1 power. I used to eat dog when I'm young. We can eat snake, beef, scorpion, insect, whatever. We can eat whatever. We can eat whatever. We can eat snake, beef, scorpion, insect, whatever. We can eat whatever. We can eat whatever. Christmas is coming now, New Year is coming now. Eat everything, no restriction. Eat everything. Christmas is coming now, New Year is coming now. Eat everything, no restriction. Eat everything.